What does a day in the life of a driven, purpose filled realtor look like? Let me show you how we balance business and life with heart. Hey, y'all, it's day 59 of my 100-day challenge. And let me tell you, today was packed, but full of purpose. I'm so late with this video, y'all. It's 10, actually, it's 11 o'clock, but I have to get it done. So I kicked off this morning with an in-person buyer consultation, an incredible couple who's ready to find their forever home. We met right at the office, and their excitement continues to remind me why I do what I do. Then it was time to hit the road, y'all. I headed to a walkthrough that's on the other side of Atlanta for one of my other buyer clients who's closing on their brand new home next week. And seeing them so close to the finish line, it just never gets old. Now, fighting that Atlanta traffic to get back to where I needed to, and y'all know how that goes, I jumped on a Zoom consultation with another buyer that's motivated and ready to take that leap into home ownership. I had to do that in the gas station parking lot. But the day didn't end there. I got to celebrate an early birthday with my beautiful goddaughter and one of my dearest friends. It was the perfect way to close out a rewarding day that was filled with faith, family, and real estate. A sis is tired, but I would not change it for the world. And if you ever wondered how to serve your clients with excellence while still honoring your own life and relationships, this is it. This is the balance. So click the link in my bio or description. Schedule your buyer's consultation with me. I'm here to walk you through it every step of the way. Now I'm gonna go catch up with hubby because he don't feel good. But I'll see y'all for day 60 tomorrow. Smile and be a blessing. It's your favorite realtor's favorite realtor, Shonda McRae.